kind of controversial. I even didn't know what to expect whenever this was going into effect.
Today marks 2 years since the state of Illinois got rid of cash bail following the state Supreme Court move upholding the Safety Act in 2023. Good evening. I'm Brandon Morano.
And I'm Kelly Finley in for Jennifer. WCIA3's Peter Hansen. He is live in our newsroom. Peter, what different sheriff's offices in central Illinois, what are they telling you about these changes?
Kelly, they say one of the bigger ones, fewer people in county jails, but several sheriffs are saying the reasons why differ depending on where you look.
Arrested for something, they would have a monetary amount, and then if you could pay that amount, you'd get out of jail.
But that hasn't been the case in Illinois when 2 years ago the Pretrial Fairness Act went into effect. Now a judge decides if someone arrested stays in jail before their trial.
I think it's more realistically weighing the risk of will you come back to court.
Champaign County Sheriff Dustin Harmon says he liked some parts of the act in 2023 because it's supposed to consider a person's potential danger to the community instead of how much bail they can post.
Sometimes people are accused of pretty bad crimes, but they have access to a lot of money, and so they were able to get out of jail.
He says some other changes have come out of the move as well.
There is no question at all that we have significantly fewer inmates in custody today.
Harmon says it may be because crime across the country was higher in 2023. But it's something other sheriffs are experiencing too, including Coles County Sheriff Kent Martin, who says his jail averaged 95 people every day before cash bail ended.
October of 23, after that took effect, that number went down into the 40s.
But Martin says the number is starting to climb back to where it was before.
It seems to be that we have a higher number of inmates who have either committed an offense while out on a pretrial release, or they're simply failing to show up and go to court like they're supposed to.
He says it's exactly why he was against the act 2 years ago. Now his office is running into another issue with the loss of cash bail.
You know, that money used to get forwarded or it would get invaded and applied towards fines and costs and that kind of thing, and that's not happening now. So it's also impacted our revenue streams.
It's a problem sheriff's offices, both for and against the law, are working to figure out.
We are just now starting to have those conversations, I would say serious conversations, on what the budget looks like next year.
Tells me something that worries him is people committing crimes after being released without bail, something he says he's seen multiple times. Live in the newsroom, Peter Hansen, WCIA 3, your local news leader.